Yo novel olo me do gbena me sia me va gbenke ho ya balaji no so ere ko me di me mafia me cho ncho wa menne yo le no fia be me avumi apeso so me hotowe me gbanto anyi Joshua Maponga le South Africa ele no fia yisubo ni mapu no so go ma call video le ka ko deme na me ase wo popora.
When you come there, you decolonize God, decolonize humanity, decolonize the Messiah, decolonize salvation. Stop selling religion. Stop selling hope to the people. Give people practical solutions. Buy farms. How do you buy a factory and then convert it into a church and people come inside and they're praying for employment? Buy the factory. Create jobs. Then from the money from the factory, you can build a church. That's common sense. We need to deconstruct, decolonize the church. And we stop being centers of embarrassment, centers of shame, centers of debauchery, centers of mischief, centers of licentiousness, centers of witchcraft, centers of perjury, and centers of corruption in the name of religion. And you don't want it to be spoken about, by the way. Ministers get very touchy. They get very touchy. They don't want it to be spoken about because you are bringing the body of Christ into disarray. There's no body of Christ that is so rotten and evil like this. We need to fix these things as Africans because Christianity has become a partner of colonialism. I'll say it again. Christianity has become a partner of colonialism. Why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? Because after colonizing us, they were drinking coffee together. They never stood to oppose colonialism.
Brother Leo. Okay, brother Leo Mohammad le London they actually no fear la me bo prosusuvu e me hosebe na nye pe unchu na say English gbela wa ti wan bia e translation e kama na strong le perform ele no fear me no view wo pasi me le no strocho afa me call mojiva wo pasi me le ngogbe tutu pole yin agbeme damia se wonu popura.
We make no apology for talking to the black man. And we're calling the black man and black boys in particular to come and hear what we have to say. Because we, as black men in particular, we are the only men in the United Kingdom, in North America, and in other parts of the world, including the continent of Africa, who have no self-interest. We as people, we take it for granted that Chinese people, despite having big China and nuclear weapons, and Chinese people, they say, are the most numerous people on the planet, despite that reality, in every major city in the United Kingdom, you will find a Chinatown. Nobody has a problem with that. Nobody has a problem with Chinese people looking out for Chinese interest. In every mess, we are the only people, black men in particular, who have been tricked and hoodwinked into the idea that for us to make progress in life, we have to integrate ourselves out of ourselves and behave like somebody else. Some of you never wonder why you see all these black people running around here and their last name is Smith.
Avraham ben Moshe. Avraham ben Moshe. Inye me le Ghana me le in charge of CSF family. CSF family. Inye common sense family. Sigbe mi le yoema common sense family. Eya me di be mi ase penko na me akpale efe chana cheleda.
Eye opener on this one. These are the words of a wise man. Nobody carries a heavy burden than he who has evil intentions. Once there's a creation, there must be a creator. God, whose supernatural powers and miracles can only be found in a book, but not in real life, Is equal to a God who never existed. Nasajina Nejuma, Bodini Bre, Avraham ben Moshe, leader of Common Sense Family. No size, Wagwan people like.
Kanya so ye me di ma gba nya be Avraham alo CSF ya nye George of Menyansa Common Sense Family me George of Menyansa fe pupopo George of Menyansa hoji to ple no we devino ji de menya me de ke fie be no nye ata na boy no ya me le yo be George of Menyansa ta na nye fe nchu fe nyonu na se blue bela akpeden we na ye football chela a se title we alo subtitle we ke ma na ko strong no lefma ame tonia ma dibe ma funchon ya nye miafe mia novi nye George ya nye Tana Freemind Family mile gbogbo be free efia be ale yo jiu de hia mere Quran mele tamena o Biblia mele tamena o Jojo me yo jiu to pe no ineva tude wa wenye wo ma wa we akblowe ya mile yo be free efia be vo menyi be wa le o de goyibo wa meve ya me alo wa me tonde me wa china be na nye Kristo alo na nye ta midoto George penu popo na mi akpo bele ke mi akpo ngogbe dede na gbe.
The power of truth is causing confusion within the prophetic ministry of Ghana. The power of truth is raining fire on the prophetic and the pastoral ministry. The ministry of deceit, the ministry of lies, the ministry of extortion, the ministry of confusion, the ministry of brainwash, and the ministry of white supremacy propaganda. The power of truth is raining fire on them.
Tatono nyelo wa mi se nya tututu yi medibe ma fia le moji e ya nya me wa menne yi me tok gbeji fifela be wa we le nu fia wa wo boy nye plomi le nu surole anyo be uche na dina de na solo efuma mako amabubo ko va yo le nu fia detowe na mi akpongo gbe na gbe mi be common sense alo George of Menyansa ehia be mi aze na vi lolo mi anoka mi me di mak blona wenye be nenu yo mele fafia nu yo mele wo le moji eleji jona ola jagbagba be na subscribe bogo mi akpo be nu je button je ma won de be subscribe na subscribe ne subscribe wala ke ma nye kilo mi anoka me subscription anu evele ne subscribe le wobat ezi button jila aziga viaji gaswema na ziji notification bell zi all ekpe dade plus so be gbesia gbe na me ko video kododa we ano YouTube achi na be me ko video kododa ta akpamaya me dibe magbona we egbe ema jagbagba ne no subscribe wala na to wa me pla ehon wewe ame pla ehon wewe plus so be wo chewa ko wo fo susu cover moji wa ko wo fe to cover moji plus so be mi anonu soro ta akpamaya